now imagine that the scenario that we had, the Honorable Justice Onoge slash Honorable Justice Tanko Mohammed scenario did not occur. It would have just been that the state election petition tribunals would have been so inaugurated on the basis of the existing constitutional legality. But what we are now having, which I've stated beforehand, is giving a very strong negative foreboding of what we are going to foresee, what we are going to see, or even experience after the elections.
You've not touched on that. What is essentially what do you see in this inaugurated heads of tribunals that is giving you that impression that we may not have gone, you know, to the point where we can avoid eventualities?
Yes. The situation we may likely run into is that there will be someone somewhere who can institute an action and say, oh, I'm challenging the entire processes that led to the emergence of this tribunal. And possibly the court can reason with that argument. And we are going to have a chain of litigation challenging the constitution of the tribunals in themselves.
And questioning why these people should be heading.
Exactly.
But you do remember that before Justice Walter Onoren was suspended, that we were told that he was supposed to inaugurate the tribunal members in just a few days before he was suspended. So isn't it the same list that went through with Tanko Mohammed? Isn't it the same list?
Yes, it is the same list. But in law, there is this assertion, which I have also made the other time, that you cannot put something on nothing. The background, if there's a provision as to how something ought to be done, and there's an infraction of how that thing, or the person that did that action, then it's an infraction that can be questioned in law.
Okay.
Now, from what you've said right now, from your position, we are standing on shaky grounds. But at the end of the day, when we look at elections and post-election situations, we see unending appeals and counter-arguments and submissions by defendants. How does this necessarily delay our court processes? Because at the end of the day, if we keep on having unending, unwinding appeals and a whole lot more, then it just drags or stalls the situation.
Very well. The situation we used to see, which some of us have been arguing against, is that as soon as in a few days' time now, the presidential and national assembly elections will be held. Same also applies to the gubernatorial and state assembly elections. Now, after the conduct of those elections, the winners so declared by INEC would be rejoicing, and those who felt that possibly they have been deprived of their mandate, or maybe they felt the conduct of their election itself is mired in controversy, will want to approach the election petition tribunals. Now, the practice directions that have been made for the election petition tribunals, we must give kudos to the judiciary in Nigeria, that there is time for every action to be taken within those election petition tribunals. This service, the compilation of witnesses, everything is based on time.